Tommy found a secret cave, hidden where the chocolates wave. Glowing cookies shine so bright, like little stars in golden light. Tommy turned the cookie key, magic opened happily. Rainbow lights began to glow, welcoming him down below. Across the biscuit bridge so neat, over rivers fresh and sweet. Sparkling milk flows smooth and white, making every step delight. Tiny cookie gnome said hi, laughing underneath the sky. Baking treats with joyful cheer, sharing sweetness far and near. Cookie crystals sparkled bright, candy gems shone with delight. Chocolate rocks began to gleam like a yummy cookie dream. Tommy rode the cookie cart, happy giggles filled his heart. Through sweet tunnels fast they sped, candy lights glowed overhead. Tommy opened wide the door, sweet surprises by the score. Cookies, candies, stars so bright, fill the cave with pure delight. Cookie fountains splash the air, rainbow sprinkles everywhere. Happy smiles began to grow as sweet colors danced below. Soft marshmallows, fluffy white, glow beneath the candy light, making magic all aglow. Tommy cheered with joyful smile, cookie friends danced all the while. Hidden cookie cave so sweet made his grand venture complete.